know what I'm talking about.
Pickle, 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 pickle.
Waldwick High School, such a small school. Everyone knows everyone. What could you possibly have bad to say about it? Cut the cameras, cut the camera.
You know you go to Waldwick High School when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School when...
You go to Waldwick High School when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School when there's more students in the halls than in the class.
When there's a SWAT team in your school.
When you have a -10 in your Genesis because of O'Hagan.
When Mr. O'Hagan tells you to shut up even though you didn't even say a word.
You go to Waldwick High School when there's black mold in the okay.
You know you go to Waldwick when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School when...
You know you go to Waldwick High School.
I know I go to Waldwick High School.
You know you go to Waldwick High School when, unfortunately, you know what happened at Borough Park.
You know you go to Waldwick when you walk into the bathroom and suddenly you're in a sea of people and it literally turns into a club.
When I have to walk all the way across the school just to use the bathroom.
When Mr. O'Hagan throws your computer in the garbage.
You know you go to Waldwick when literally everyone knows everyone.
When people still remember that you were the football mascot 10 years later.
When you see the principal's son walking around the halls with a lacrosse ball every day.
As a kid walking around the school in a monkey outfit.
When you do more work outside of class than inside of class.
When O'Hagan gives you 4 quizzes in 2 days.
Alright, that's good. I can't wait for opening dates. I think it's going to be a good time.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I should probably get the directions of the City Field on my phone though, real quick. I got the directions to City Field right here.
Oh, you should really be watching out. You shouldn't be on your phone like that.
Oh no, it's completely okay. I'm an experienced driver. I know what I'm doing here.
Texting while driving doubles the odds of an accident.
Yo, did you hear Tyreek Hill got traded?
Oh no, I didn't hear about that. I just pulled it up on my phone here. That's pretty interesting, actually.
Hey, it's crazy.
25% of distracted drivers involved in fatal accidents were between ages 20 to 29.
Crazy trade.
Yeah. I would never expect that to happen.
Whoa, 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 watch out!
Oh!
9 people die every day due to distracted driving.
Go, go, go! Oh! Phone down, eyes up. Don't text and drive.
Hello, what's up, Waldwick? This is me, your host, Gavin Deacon, and we had to scrap our last video because it was absolutely dog poo poo.
You ruined it.
How did I ruin it?
Hello, this is ya boy coming at you with another video.
Well, you know what is my favorite type of pie?
What kind of pie?
Hello, what's up, Waldwick? This is me, Gavin, and we had to scrap our last video, so we're doing something a little bit different. See, Destiny Ayala is known for her photoshopping skills and many other talents, but we're mainly focusing on the Photoshop today. So we're gonna go up to random people and ask what they want photoshopped from the one and only Destiny Ayala.
Who are we harassing now?
Alright, we're harassing my boy Flotus.
Okay.
Young Santo, stream demon time right now.
Okay.
Alright, hold on, let's go.
I tripped, it's okay.
Alright, Flotus. Alright. We're doing a video right now. Can you please name something Destiny Ayala has to Photoshop for way too long? Just anything you want to see. Let's see it.
Drip check all the mirrors on my body, yeah, I'm richer now. Got this new tech on me, cause my
1, 2, 3 facts.
Hi, sit back there.
So, you can put hello, we're doing a video right now where Destiny Ayala has to Photoshop something for a completely absurd amount of time. What do you want to see from this Photoshop? And your desires of anyone. Okay.
I want you to Photoshop Peter Malark next to me in the Hunger Games.
Let's see it.
Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you?
Okay. Alright, we got someone right here. Kevin Aguirre, listen.
Oh, hey,
buddy,
hey,
hi.
hey.
Listen, we're doing a video right now, and can you please describe me something that Destiny Ayala has to sit down and Photoshop for way too long at the school computer?
I think it would probably be like her favorite demonia boots that she would want. I think that would definitely work.
Alright, let's see it.
Who's harassing now?
Alright, we're harassing my boy also, Dan Messina. Listen, Dan Messina, listen, we are doing a video right now, and we have this simple request, okay? Listen, we're doing a video where Destiny has to Photoshop something really stupid for very long. So it could be anything your heart desires. What do you want to see? You don't care. Just name something, anything.
Anything you want. Anything your little heart desires.
Alright, I guess so. So segmenting what Dan said, anything that my heart desires.
Wait, but was he referring to me or referring to you?
Referring to me, I think. I think he was talking to me. I don't know. But what I want is a particular meme of Melt's. I don't know how to describe it. I'll just put it up on the screen in editing. And then I want to see Melt's and that, but saying edit your video right now.
Your life is nothing. You serve zero purpose.
You should edit your video now.
And give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so that we can breathe inside this blue trap.
Hey, yo, Gavin, hold the camera, hold the camera.
Yeah.
Got you. And because you're making me sit at a... But because I'm the one who has to sit at a computer for a certain long amount of time, photoshopping these and editing them because I'm better at editing than Gavin and I edit all the videos.
Yep.
I'm gonna Photoshop whatever I feel like. I'll put it on the screen now, my idea. And I don't know what I want to do yet, but I'll pick it up as I go. Probably involve me doing something wildly stupid, but it's okay.
Who's harassing me? Hold on, I'm being harassed. Hello? Hi.
Why?
Am I recording? I'm recording. I'm okay.
Why?
Okay. What the heck do I even call this? 1,000.
Yes! Just go!
I don't want to sit. You could keep recording. You could keep recording. Just leave it. It's fine. This is fine. Everything's fine. It's okay, but we have to cut that out because we're not allowed to say that on film. So, with all the skills I have and you saw me use, I think you should also learn Photoshop. In all seriousness, it's a very fun skill to have, and it's also very great to put on your resume to know how to use, because some jobs actually look for that for advertising, because it makes life much easier. And as you can tell, I'm so great at doing it, and I taught myself how to do it because I was really bored over COVID, so it's not that hard to figure out. So, thanks for watching, thank you for all the amazing suggestions, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope the Photoshop that you requested looks great on camera. I tried my best.
Where's my goddamn vodka, woman?
Right in front of you.
Oh. Alright. Where's Isabel? She gotta go to school? Come on, let's go. We're driving to work. I need school. Why can't you be more like your brother, Isabel? He was the good one.
One in 5 students ages 12 to 18 experienced bullying nationwide. Over 160,000 kids refuse to go back to school each day out of fear of being bullied.
What?
Are you feeling a little tired? When you're tired, if so, do you drink energy drinks? Well, we went around WHS asking how people drink their energy drinks and what brand. Do you drink energy drinks?
No, not at all. Although, big fan of espresso. Does that count? Like a good espresso? But not an energy drink, not at all. Espresso, yes.
Well, it does give you energy. How do you drink your espresso?
Well, usually I sit down, I'm nice and relaxed, and Sal makes me up a good espresso, my barber, and I just enjoy it.
Is it healthy?
Absolutely. It's good for the mind, it's good for the soul. I highly recommend it.
Do you drink energy drinks?
You're gonna race somebody else now?
How do you drink it?
Racing everyone. I usually just sip it.
Kindly don't
Walter, get in
Walter!
here. Do you want to race?
Walter, I'll race
No, they're honestly pretty bad.
You gotta move this operation down. What's your favorite drink brand?
No, I
If I do drink them, I drink Range.
Okay. Do you drink energy drinks?
Yes,
How do you drink it?
in a can before practice.
Is it healthy?
Probably not.
What's your favorite energy drink brand?
Red Bull.
Do you drink energy drinks?
Yes. No.
How do you drink it?
What? In the can that it comes in?
Is it healthy?
I'd say it's pretty healthy. I don't know.
What's your favorite energy drink brand?
I'd say Red Bull. I don't have water.
Do you drink energy drinks?
Occasionally I will.
How do you drink it?
I casually sip on it. I don't know.
Is it healthy?
I wouldn't say so.
What's your favorite energy drink brand?
Red Bull.
Do you drink energy drinks and why?
I do. I drink them before my games, so I have a lot of energy.
How do you drink it?
I sip out of it and chug it.
Is it healthy?
Absolutely not.
What's your favorite energy drink brand?
I'm gonna have to go with a Rain.
Okay. Do you drink energy drinks? Yeah. How do you drink it?
Like shotgun, regular.
Regularly?
Is it healthy?
I don't think so. Probably not.
What's your favorite energy drink brand?
Monster.
Do you drink energy drinks?
No,
How do you drink it?
I don't.
Is it healthy?
No.
Favorite drink brand?
Yeah, drink brand? I don't know. Like Coke?
Do you drink energy drinks and why?
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of the Bang. You know, Big Bang. It's amazing. Love the cotton candy. You know, like sometimes for a game, I don't have the energy. I'm tired. Drink that Bang. I'm riled up.
Let's get a sponsorship. How do you drink it?
I mean, if you're part of the baseball team, we all know what you gotta do. Cleat it, spike it, you know, whatever you gotta do. Shotty it. There's no sipping it. There's no sipping it.
Is it healthy?
Honestly, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what else. What I mean, is McDonald's healthy? No, I eat it anyway. The Bang makes me feel riled up, so I drink it anyway. Fine.
I'm gonna assume your favorite brand is also Bang.
I mean, I kind of like Monster. Kind of like Monster a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. But.
Okay. Do you drink energy drinks?
Yes.
Are they healthy?
Yes.
How do you drink it?
Yes.
And what's your favorite brand?
Yes.
You have it here, folks. You heard it here, folks. Some students shotgun their energy drinks, some sip, and some people don't drink it at all. It all depends on personal preference, and see you next time on the Warrior Broadcast Center.